Here is how to change your YouTube profile picture. So first, go ahead and launch your YouTube, log into your specific account and tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in your profile page of your channel, tap on View Channel option. Now tap on Edit Channel, which is beside Analytics. Now in the top, you'll see a camera icon. Go ahead and select it. This will open your gallery where you can go ahead and select a profile that you want to add it to your YouTube account. Select a picture that you want to add and tap on Save this profile picture from the bottom of the screen and you'll be done. Now if you need to switch your account, tap on Account and you'll see your profile picture right over there and you can easily change it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.